Good morning, YouTube. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. And Carlos pulled off into the grass, and we've got a bunch of rain. So, intertractional. Luckily, he's not stuck that bad. I want to get a pretty hard pull on him to get it coming over first, and then we'll pull up and yank him out. Pretty sure. Idiot didn't even turn on the PTO. I gotta grab your VIN. The plate number is pulling up a Peterbilt. Let me cool. All right, yeah, give me just a second to rig it up and then we'll get you yanked out. I forgot to ask him if he's loaded. Boy, that's a 12. No, it's 2 8s. Took both of them. I don't need both of them. Hopefully I won't have to put a snatch block in my line. It'll depend on how heavy he actually is. Are you loaded or empty? How heavy? You got a rough idea? Just what's in the trailer? Motor oil? Gotcha. You think it's probably like 30,000 maybe? Oh, that's not bad. Okay. Automatic or manual? All right, go ahead and put it in drive, release all your brakes for me. And then I may just have you give me just a little bit of gas to help me out, but we'll see what it does at first, okay? All right. right, you're just kind of going to want to point your wheel like you're going to drive straight where that line is going, okay? Bump the gas a little bit. No, 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 no. All right, I got it from here. I got it. Usually you just need that little bit of help to get them moving. If I had a snatch block in the line, that wouldn't have happened. That wouldn't have been a problem at all, but. All right. Yep. Now go ahead and set your brakes for a second, and then I'm going to pull forward and we'll get you out the rest of the way, okay? I think he'd almost get out on his own if that truck would had some meaner tires on it. Oh. This is a very, very, very not busy road with a lot of line of sight. The Walmart distribution center is right back here around this corner in front of me. As you can see, that's where all these semis are going. So they have plenty of room to be able to get out around me. That's the only reason I'm taking up 2 lanes. It's faster and easier. All right, release all your brakes and leave it in neutral. Turn this way some, right there. All right. Not too big of a deal. Glad it's not very complex for 4 o'clock in the morning. More than likely, it wasn't ready for his drop time, and so he just pulled here to wait versus go back to the truck stop, and that's a no bueno. Oh, my glove got greasy. I'll pull all the way across over into that right lane, and then just hang out behind me until they get this built there, okay? I'm gonna call him here once we get over there. grease all over my glove. What a mess. This is a thing I don't like so much about early morning calls. It always takes entirely too long to pay the bill. And then, you know, I sent them the bill when I showed up. As soon as I verified that it was going to be what I quoted and nothing extra, they still just take their time. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.